how to fix WhatsApp voice message speed on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp voice message speed on Android phone. First open WhatsApp and it's easy. All you need to do here, you will find it like that. Then just click this icon here, just make it one, click on it, and that's it, and your problem will be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just restart WhatsApp, go to settings, apps, and then apps again, and here we'll find WhatsApp, click on it, then just go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. And then click force stop and try again, and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.